Today I am going to share a recipe of steamed rice laddu. So let's get started. Now we are taking ingredients: water, jaggery, steamed rice powder and desi ghee. At first we will preheat the fry pan. After that we will take desi ghee and jaggery. Till melt jaggery we will stir it. Now mix water and boil some time. Then mix steamed rice powder. Guys, rice powder should be mixed little by little, otherwise laddu will not be made properly. After ready the mixture, we will add coconut powder and mix together. So we will make laddu in our hand in this way.